All right, guys, this is how you change the light bulb on a pendant light. So there's a lot of styles that are similar to this one, where the bulb is inside this piece of glass. So what you do is you go ahead and unscrew this counterclockwise. So you can open that up, and then that will let you pull this piece up over that. And then now that that piece is up, this whole thing you might need to shimmy it around a little bit, but this will lift up. See how that's lifting up? And then if you can gently maneuver it around like that. Ta-da! So we set this aside. Change your bulb here. Okay. It's good to use two hands. Okay. New bulb. Okay. Put our globe back on, and you're gonna do one side first, and then all the way over to the other side, and then it's just gonna sort of rest between both sides. So there's kind of one spot where it lays down nicely. Tighten this guy up. You might need to use a pliers if that's too tight. So that looks good. And give her the old checkaroo. Boom. That's how you do it, baby. Like and subscribe. Por favor. Have a good day.